kids, and I've been waiting so long for the new level of the brand new, super amazing game, Ruby Roo. So last time I went to the Glow Zone. It was pretty challenging, but we did it. Now let's see where Ruby is going next.
Rubit, I wonder where we are. The Kids Space Museum? I wonder what that means. Me neither. This place is so amazing. Wow. Wait a minute. What's this? It's a fun new accessory. Check it out. What's that, Rubit? New challenge. Solve the riddle to find the micro ruby.
Yes, I love riddles. Ooh, this is gonna be so much fun.
What's a riddle? Oh, a puzzle? Like a guessing game? I can totally do that. Come on, Rubit, let's go solve the riddle.
Okay, where is that riddle? Seriously.
Whoa, you said it, Rubit. That sure is a really tall tower. But I bet we can see the riddle from way up there. New challenge, climb the treetop tower to find half the riddle. Rubit, I'll race you to the top. Good thing I practiced all those ninja moves at Glow Zone, right, Rubit? Look at this place. So sunny and nice. What's that? Ooh, this must be it. One half of the riddle. Top secret.
Okay, what does it say? To find the treasure that you seek, you'll have to look down at your feet. Let's see, it's gotta be on the ground or underground? Huh, where's the ruby? Maybe in the dirt?
I guess you're right, Rubit. We don't need the other half the riddle to solve it. Come on, let's keep looking. Rubit, what's this place? New challenge. Make the bottle fly for half of the riddle. Wait, bottles don't fly. They don't have wings. What does that mean? Okay, make the bottle fly. Let's see. Ooh, if I push some of these buttons, it will make water go up, which is interesting because water usually flows downwards. But if I push these buttons with different water levels, it will create pressure and maybe make the bottle fly.
Yes, we did it! Way to go, Ruby.
What's that? Top secret. The littlest creature of them all lives in a hill that's very small. It's the other half of the riddle.
Okay. The littlest creature of them all lives in a hill that's very small? What's the littlest creature that could be at your feet in like a little hill? What would that be?
What does it all mean, Rubit? What do you mean you don't know? You're the smartest supercomputer out there.
Wait, I've got it. Ants! They're the littlest creatures. Ants live in ant hills, and they live on the ground. That's it. It's gotta be it.
Of course it's ants. I mean, it's so obvious when you think about it. But wait a minute. How am I going to find an ant-sized ruby? Rubit, do you have any ideas?
Wait, I've got this. Luckily, we have a lot of real points from the other levels. Let's see.
New challenge. Find the micro ruby before the ants wake up. Let's do this quietly. Wow, Rubit. This must be what an ant You're right, Rubit. We don't want to disturb the ants that live here. They're harmless when they're tiny, but imagine how big they'll be. Keep quiet. Let's go find the ruby. Shh, Rubit. We did it!
Okay, come on, Ruby. Time to go.
Nice work, Rubit. That was a close one, but we did it!
Whew, I thought we were in huge trouble there for a minute, but we did it. That was so much fun. I can't wait to see where Ruby Roo goes next, and make sure to subscribe and like for more. Thanks for watching.